Well, thank you so much, first of all, for the kind invitation to CMPL. I am Vikrant Rana, so I manage a law firm of around 200 people, and we specialize in IP and corporate laws. I've been practicing law for the last 28 years, and our forte is intellectual property, which covers trademarks, patent designs, copyrights, and our endeavor has been to assist the industry, the academia, to understand the IP laws, to sensitize them about IP laws and how they can benefit from them, how to monetize those. That is the whole endeavor we have been working. And it has been a very fruitful panel discussion today. I think very active, very proactive audience, a lot of questions, and very interactive session there. So I think this is a wonderful step. The session itself is a good indication how CMPL is, taking the plunge to understand the gap and to plug it. So the kind of response I've had, which shows that CMPL has actually, really nailed it by having this session, especially on IP rights and how the contract manufacturing and the brand owners have to look at IP and to secure IP and monetize that IP. So I think that is an integral part of the whole supply chain. So I would say the session and the speakers, the other speakers they mentioned, India is on a growth story. So I believe that it's a matter of time. We'll be doing much more than 7%, and I think the sky is the limit there. So yeah, I think it's always to provide the best service and to be proactive. I really think proactive is one of my and for the firm also to the cornerstones that think ahead of the client and how we can service the client better, look at what issues they can come up with and how to plug those issues before those issues really come. So that has been our endeavor. I think it was fun and educative, very, very educative.